Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create poster like photo collage using Photoshop. So let's begin. Open Photoshop and import your photos in it. Press Ctrl and N button and create a new page according the photo collage size. I'm selecting 8R size. Set 8 inch by 10 inch and click OK button. You can see all tabs here. Select any tab from here. Double click on this lock icon to unlock the layer. Select the Move tool and drag this photo to your main page. Adjust the photo position. Select one more photo. You can use Crop tool for resizing the photo. Unlock the layer. Also drag and drop this to your main page. Press Ctrl and T button for transform or resize the photo. Press and hold Shift button for keeping its own aspect ratio. Now set a position for this photo. Add one more photo. And cover some part of the previous image with this image like this. Select Eraser tool and soften the eraser. Reduce the flow a little bit. Now erase some part from the side of this image. So let's arrange all the pictures in the same way. Now you can see we have successfully created a photo collage. For save this image, go to File. Then click on Save As. Select a location and select the photo format. I'm using PNG format for this. Also set a name for the file. Now click on Save. It's all done, isn't it so easy? Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.